Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with safety and the correct part. Park, set the brake, and put on gloves so you won't contaminate the bulb. Once done, open the bonnet and locate the headlight rear cover or wheel arch access panel. Some Golf models use the engine bay cap, others need the fender liner removed. Make sure you have the right H7 or H4 bulb for your exact year. Now remove the plastic cap or screws to expose the bulb housing. Work methodically so clips and screws stay organized. You'll now remove the old bulb while preserving the socket. First, press the electrical connector tab and pull the plug straight off. Don't wrench. Next, release the retaining spring or rotate the bulb holder counterclockwise depending on your model, and slide the bulb out keeping note of how it sat. Inspect the socket and wiring for corrosion or melted plastic. That explains many failures. Make sure not to touch the glass of the replacement bulb. Oil from your skin shortens life. And set the old. You're finishing the job. Insert the new bulb in the same orientation, push until it seats fully, then secure the spring or twist the holder clockwise. Reconnect the electrical plug. Once done, turn on ignition and test low and high beams to confirm function. Make sure the dust cap or wheel arch liner is reinstalled to keep moisture out. If the lamp fails, check the fuse, ensure the connector is clean and tight, and verify the bulb is correctly seated. Those 3 fixes solve most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.